Cool. This is your Capstone Project 1. And again, to find this one, you will go to your DM150. And then underneath your DM150, there will be that Capstone Project Part 1 folder right here. And if you click on that, you will have docx that you could open up. Great. And now if we open this up, this project description, if you want to read through it, that's fine as well. But essentially, each project, your 3 different Capstone project parts are going to build on each other. So make sure you don't skip any of them. If you do miss one, we can discuss it. But make sure that you try not to miss these, as each one informs the next Capstone project. So you want to make sure that you do well on all 3 of these. For your Capstone project, you are essentially going to select a small business company. And after you pick that company that you would love to work at, essentially, you're going to provide an executive summary of the company. And an executive summary is going to include the name of the company, the listing of their marketing channels. So you're going to go out and try to find how this company is marketing themselves. And then you're going to critique what they're doing for their marketing. The overall idea of this Capstone project is that you're going to be an intern at this company that you pick. It's your dream company, so you really want to work there. And you're going to try to go around and figure out how to rebrand themselves and to market themselves, essentially. Now, again, you want to make sure that the company you pick is not a huge one. Don't pick Apple, Amazon, or Nike or anything like that. And also, I would say you could try to look for some Chicago local businesses. You could try to look for some local businesses around Illinois. You could do whatever you'd like. If there's a business from where you're from, that would be awesome to see as well, and you could talk about them too. It will be really interesting to see and compare what foreign content marketing looks like in comparison to the content marketing in Chicago. So make sure that you pick a company, wherever it is, make sure it's smaller so that you can go out and search for their content marketing. Awesome. So again, your Capstone Project Part 1, you're just going to provide the name of the company that you want to pick. You're going to find all of their marketing channels. And for example, that will be their website, their Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. And then you're also going to give me the URLs of those two. And then, of course, your critique after it. So this should only be around 300 words. You should have a minimum of 300 words. But it could be as long as you'd like it. I don't have any maximum for these. I just want to make sure that you're able to get the full extent of what you're supposed to do out. But again, pick a small company. If you have a company in mind for your Capstone project and you're not too sure if it will work or not, just let me know and we can discuss it. But I would say you're going to get a lot more, it's going to be a bit more fun to do this project if you're working with smaller companies, because like Apple, Nike, and Amazon already have their marketing done. They're pretty good to go, so you don't really need to critique them too much. I would say a smaller company would be great for this. Awesome.